Good morning students. Today we are doing Subhashitani, which is very important for by hearting slokas, Kantastha slokas. Subhashitani, the wise sayings, the poems are collected from different books written by different writers. So these poems are very important. So what is the importance of Subhashitas? For promoting the punctuality and discipline in manners and culture among the students, the lesson is prescribed. So this is very important to apply ourselves and to learn something new. So today we are going to do the first sloka. Swagruhe pujyate murkah, swagrame pujyate prabhu, swadeshe pujyate raja, vidwan sarvatra pujyate. Swagruhe pujyate murkah, swagrame pujyate prabhu, swadeshe pujyate raja, vidwan sarvatra pujyate. Swagruhe pujyate murkah. Murkah, a foolish man. Pujyate is worshipped, is honored, is respected. Swagruhe, in his own house. So the foolish man is respected in his house. Swagrame pujyate prabhu. Prabhu, the chief of the village. Swagrame, in his own village, pujyate, is honored. So the chief of the village is honored in his own village. If he is coming out, he will not be respected and he is not recognized. Swadeshe pujyate raja. Raja, a king. Swadeshe, in his own country, pujyate, he is respected. But vidwan sarvatra pujyate. Vidwan, a scholar who is master in his subject, the well-known writer, the person who is master in technology, sarvatra, everywhere, wherever he goes, whichever the place, whatever the country, he is pujyate, honored. So the foolish man is respected in the house. The chief is respected in the village. The king is respected in his own country, but the scholar is respected everywhere. Swagruhe pujyate murkah, swagrame pujyate prabhu, swadeshe pujyate raja, vidwan sarvatra pujyate. Right? We go to the second one. Lokayatra vayam lajja, dakshinyam dharmashilacha, panchayasminna vidyante, na kuryat tena sangatim. Lokayatra bhayam lajja, dakshinyam dharmashilata, panchayasminna vidyante, na kuryat tena sangatim. Lokayatra. Lokayatra means general knowledge. Bhayam, fear. Lajja, shyness. Dakshinyam, kindness, generosity. Dharmashilata, the religious faith or the religious merit. Pancha yasmin na vidyante. Pancha, these five. The general knowledge, fear, shyness, kindness, virtuousness. These five, yasmin, in whom, na vidyante, is not present. Na kuryat tena sangatim. Na kuryat. Na is the negative meaning. Kuryat. Tena sangatim. Tena, with them. Na sangatim, should not associate. So one should not, kuryat, one should not associate with them. Those who do not have the tender knowledge, the fear, shyness, kindness and virtuousness. So one should not associate with such people, which is not beneficial to the person. Right? So this is what the poet is giving the beautiful advice to the people, with whom one should not associate. When we are associating with the people, we should learn something, we should gain something with them, right? If we are not benefited, right? So it is not good to associate with such people. So lokayatra vayam lajja dakshinyam dharmashilata panchayasminna vidyante na kuryatena sangatim. Here double na is there. Yasmin na vidyante. Na vidyante, who is not possessed such five qualities, with them one should not associate. Okay? Lokayatra vayam lajja dakshinyam dharmashilata panchayasminna vidyante na kuryatena sangatim. Satyam bruyat priyam bruyat bruyat satyam apriyam priyam chana anrutam bruyat esha dharmah sanatanah. Satyam bruyat priyam bruyat satyam apriyam priyam chana anrutam bruyat esha dharmah sanatanah. Satyam bruyat, satyam truth, bruyat, one should speak the truth. One should speak the truth. Priyam bruyat, priyam bruyat. Priyam, one has to speak priyam. What is priyam? The pleasing words. So one should speak the truth. One has to speak the pleasing words, the beneficial words. Na bruyat satyam apriyam. Apriyam means unpleasing. Na bruyat. Bruyat means to speak. Na bruyat, one should not speak. Satyam apriyam. Though that is the truth, one should not speak the unpleasing truth. One should not speak the unpleasing truth. So in this world, everyone likes to hear the pleasing words. The pleasing words are pleasant to the mind, and it is pleasant to the heart to receive. So no one likes the unpleasing words. So though it is pleased, right, though it is truth, one should not speak the unpleasing words. So na bruyat satyam apriyam. So one should not speak the truth which is unpleasant. Priyam cha nanrutam bruyat esha dharmah sanatanah. Priyam cha nanrutam. Though it is unpleasing, though it is pleasing, one should not speak the untruth. Though it is pleasing to the mind, one should not speak the untruth. So this is very important. Here he is saying that speak the words, the truth which is pleasant. He is saying though it is pleasing, one should not speak the untruth. Bruyat eshaha dharma sanatanah. Eshaha, this dharma, the dharma sanatanah is the old tradition. This is what we believe in our country. This is the old tradition, old dharma. So what is the old dharma? One has to speak the truth. One has to speak the pleasing words. One has to speak the truth which is pleasing. And one should not speak that untruth which is pleasing. So this is Eshaha. This is whatever he said in the 3 lines. Eshaha, this dharma, the dharma sanatana is the old dharma. Satyam bruyat priyam bruyana bruyat satyam apriyam priyam cha nanrutam bruyat esha dharma sanatana. Now the 3 slokas you understood. So what is the first one? We will practice it, revise it. Swagruhe pujyate murkah, swagrame pujyate prabhu, swadeshe pujyate raja, vidwan sarvatra pujyate. Second one, lokayatra vayam lajja dakshinyam dharmashilata panchayasminna vidyante na kuryatena sangatim. Satyam bruyat priyam bruyana bruyat satyam apriyam priyam cha धर्मः सनातनः. We are going to see the 4, 5, 6 slokas. Fourth one. Dadati pratigruhanati guhyamakhyaati pruchyati bhunte bhojayate chaiva shadvidam mitra lakshanam. So what is the greatness of Subhashitas? In each sloka, the poet is going to give some kind of message, some kind of advice to the people. That is what we have to learn from the Subhashitas. Whatever the good you find that you have to adopt to yourself, then you are going to see the real change and the importance of the slokas you will understand. Dadati pratigruhanati guhyamakhyaati pruchyati bhunte bhojayate jaiva shadvidam mitra lakshanam. Mitra lakshanam, mitra, a friend, lakshanam, the character, the qualities, right? Shadvidam, the 6 qualities of a good friend. So what are the 6 qualities of a good friend? How you are going to identify, right? What are the qualities of a good friend? Dadati, he will give when you are in need, right? Pratigruhanati, and he will receive, right? Guhyamakhyaati pruchyati. Guhyam means secret, which cannot be shared with anyone, right? So you are going to share only with your good friend. Guhyamakhyaati, guhyam the secret, akhyati is going to tell you, and pruchyati, he will inquire. Bhunte bhojayate, bhunte is going to offer you the food. Bhojayate, and he is going to share with you. Chaiva, cha eva, mitra lakshanam, shadvidam mitra lakshanam. These are the 6 qualities of a good friend. Dadati pratigruhanati guhyamakhyaati pruchyati bhunte bhojayate chaiva shadvidam mitra lakshanam. Dadati pratigruhanati guhyamakhyaati pruchyati bhunte bhojayate chaiva shadvidam mitra lakshanam. Shashina shobhate ratrihi srustihi suryena shobhate satyena shobhate vani sadacharena jivanam. Shashina shobhate ratrihi srustihi suryena shobhate satyena shobhate vani sadacharena jivanam. Now we are seeing the 6th sloka first. Shashina shobhate ratri. Ratri means the night. Shashina is the moon. Shashi means the moon. Shobhate, shines. So the night shines with the moon. Or you can tell in another way, the night is going to shine with the brightness of the moon. Or the moonlight makes the night to shine. Srustihi suryena shobhate. Srusti means the nature, right? Shobhate, shines. Suryena, with the sunlight. So the nature shines with the sunlight. So what is the meaning of shining? So we are going to see everything in this world because of the sunlight in the daytime. So always will be waiting when the morning sun is going to rise in the morning, and evening will be waiting when the moon is going to shine. So the night shines with the moonlight, the nature shines with the sunlight. Satyena shobhate vani. Vani means the words. Goddess of Saraswati, with the blessings of Saraswati, we all could speak in this world. We can communicate each other. So Vani, the literature, the speech, shobhate, shines, satyena, with the truth. When you are speaking the truth, the words are going to shine in this world. So what is the meaning of shining? So the people will be learning something, and the people will admire when you are seeing the truth in this world. When you are speaking the false or untruth, right? People will be misguided and they will be cheated. So the words shine with the speech. What kind of speech? With the truth. Sadacharena Jivanam. Achara means the tradition, the culture, the character. Sat, the good character. Jivanam, life. So the life shines with the good character. The night shines with the moonlight. The nature shines with the sunlight. The speech shines with the truth. And the life shines with the good character. Now we come to the fifth one. Vijaya vardhate vacho, Vijaya vardhate vapu, Vijaya vardhate viryam, Vijaya kimna vardhate. Vijaya vardhate vacho, Vijaya vardhate vapu, Vijaya vardhate viryam, Vijaya kimna vardhate. Vardhate, to shine or to grow. Vijaya vardhate vacho. Vacho means the words. The words will shine with the Vijaya. Vijaya means education. Vijaya means the knowledge. So the words will shine with the education. If you are well versed in the science when you are speaking, your words will be shining. Because of your words, the people will learn something. So the words are going to shine with the knowledge. Vijaya vardhate vapuhu. Vapuhu means the body, right? Vijaya vardhate. So the body is going to shine with the knowledge. So you will be recognized by the society when you are well versed in the subject. Vijaya vardhate viryam. So the valorous person is there. So if he was educated, he is going to shine in this world. So in the physique or mentally the person is strong. If he was educated, he will be recognized in this world. Vijaya kimna vardhate. So what is not achieved by the people in this world? So everything can be achieved because of the education. Vijaya kimna vardhate. So what is not achieved by education? Everything is achieved by education. So these are the remaining 3 slokas. I repeat fourth one. Dadati pratigruhanati guhyamakhyati pruchati bhukte bhojayate chaiva shedvidam mitra lakshanam. Vijaya vardhate vacho, Vijaya vardhate vapuhu, Vijaya vardhate viryam, Vijaya kimna vardhate. Shashina shobhate ratrihi, srustihi suryena shobhate, satyena shobhate vani, sadacharena jivanam. Thank you, children. Learn by heart the slokas and concentrate on the pronunciation.